Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about the weekly recap and trades taken last week, ending today. So let's get started. Week started on the 26th September. So this is the first of the trades. Pound USD 20-minute, 160 pip. Pound was getting strong that day, and then Pound is doing it right now. He's still doing a very like seesaw kind of thing, like getting strong, then weak, and then strong, then weak. So it's a lot of turmoil going on. So be very careful. All right. So, but this system gives me exact entries, either long or short. It doesn't matter. So buy order right here. I sell break to move to break even. Plus here, all the entries you will see them according to the setup, nothing randomly. According to the setup, 4 conditions need to be met, and then once they're met, I pull the trigger. Right. So this is pound USD 20-minute 160 pip. The next on the 26th is pound Aussie. Same buy order here, 150 pip. The next is pound yen. Like I said, pound was getting crazy. Buy order right here, and then 180 pip pound yen to the upside. And this is pound yen again after the retracement. One more shot to the upside for 90 pip. Buy order is right there. I sell move to break even. Here on the 26th USD franc down. Excuse me, not downside. Upside here a buy order for 75 pip. Right, and this one again, pound Aussie, 130 pip to the upside. Same day, 26th. Right, so a lot of volatility on the 26th. And then you can see pound USD to the downside now after retracing. Well, after going up, then it's retracing. And here, see the sell order here, right? This one, and then all the way down for 130 pip on the 26th. Now, this is the 26th. Now, on the 27th, everything started retracing and taking the breath, a short break. So this is the only trade on the 27th happened. Everything else was just retracing. So this is USD yen 100 pip. And then on the 28th, game start to begin again. So this one sell here, pound Aussie for 190 pip. You can see it's like, right? And here, pound USD going down as well. See how many entries this system is. This was the entry, all of this. 130 pip from here to here on the 28th. Sell, and SL move to break even plus. Here, pound yen going down as well. Beautiful entry and trade for 150 pip to the downside. On the 28th, pound USD, this is the biggest one this week. Buy order here and gone with the win. 200 pips, 200 plus pip here, pound USD. Okay, and this one on the 20th again, pound yen, buy order here, and it is for 75 pip. And here 28 pound USD again after that 200 pip shot, and then drop, boom, gone to the upside for 75 pip more. This is what I'm talking about. Pound is just crazy. USD CAD in the meantime going down here, and small shot here, 65 pip sell order right there. And this is pound Aussie again to the upside, but not much on the 29th actually, and it's only for 55 pip. And on the 29th, pound yen went up again after retracing a little bit, and then boom, you can see here 150 pip one more time. It's just again and again and again, right? And on the 29th, pound USD went up as well, again for 100 pip, buy order, SL move to break even plus. And this one here, euro yen, you can see here, nice move to the upside, which I missed. And then this one, I took this one as well, lost 15 pip. Then this one, 120 pip, buy order, SL move to break even plus. And on the 29th, euro USD, beautiful drop here, and it went up. I mean, I post some of these trade on my Telegram. I don't know if I have it here open. Like for example, here you see this watch EU, right? This was I'm talking about EU. about to make a long setup. It did, and then boom, 125 pip. Then GA long, GU long setup in place. All of these I'm keep posting on the Telegram for my subscribers so that they can take the trade as well. And this one on the 29 euro USD, and this is euro Aussie. They said, look, euro was start to get strong a little bit. So euro USD went up, and euro Aussie also went up for 90 pip. So these are almost like 20 trades last week based on simple my setup, and this alarm, CTS alarm 3. Every time the setup is there, as about to kick in, the now that this alarm start beeping, and all you got to do is come in, take the trade. Simple as that. Okay, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to take it, you want to get you want to be a part of it and get the system and learn, then you go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, and this is the name, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe. Use this button here. And when you subscribe, you're going to get the system, the indicators, the EA, the alarm, everything, and the instruction videos as well. And if you are in need of learning from A to Z, or from the scratch, or you're new, you want to learn and master this strategy and the Forex market, then you want to be joining one-on-one coaching course. This is 10 hours over the Zoom. Me personally teaching you almost every single thing, like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNL levels, trend lines, this, that, everything has to do with Forex. You will learn and you'll become master of this market. So this is it for now. Let me see if oh yeah, I just wanted to give you a gift. This is my analysis. Oil weekly. This is how we ended up today, and Friday, 30th September, and I think this is the retracement, 78%. So I think we're gonna be bouncing from here, and as well as the USD gonna get weaker, and that's gonna take this thing to the upside. Okay, USD, I think USD gonna get weaker, and yen. I have chart all. I'm making new chart for my subscribers. So if you join, you're gonna get all those charts just like this. With the predictions. Yeah, USD gonna get weaker. Aussie, not Aussie. Yen is gonna get strong. All yen pair probably gonna go down. All of those. Blah blah blah. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.